दो भेड़िए आ चुके हैं यहाँ पे। और भाई ऊपर घोड़ा तो चढ़ नहीं पाएगा, हमें ही चढ़ना पड़ेगा ऊपर। बड़ी बड़ी चट्टानें हैं यार ये तो। चलो कोई बात नहीं, अपना एलेक्सियोस कहीं पे भी चढ़ सकता है, पावर है इसके पास पूरी। उससे भी ऊंची। और कल को और कोई जगह नहीं मिली ना बैठने के लिए। तो भाई भविष्यवाणी करती है ना, तो इसलिए ऐसी जगह पे साधु संत लोग शांत जगह पे ही बैठते हैं। एथेनियंस घूम रहे हैं यार यहाँ पे।
I hope this oracle gives better news than the one in Sparta. The sanctuary of Delphi. The gods themselves watch over this land.
पीछे से आए हम, दूसरी साइड से जाना पड़ेगा।
Alexios, isn't this remarkable? We're so close to the gods, I can feel Apollo all around me. How did it go with Elpinon?
We can talk later in private. Who's this?
Just a simple pilgrim. He just saw the oracle.
भाई ये तो यार और
I
कोई
couldn't
है।
help but ask if she's as glorious as they say.
Well,
अब शायद यही लेके जाएगा हमें वहाँ तक।
Left me with more questions than answers. That's the oracle for you. You weren't lying. It really is the spear of Leonidas. I may have mentioned you.
Barnabas, use your head.
Well, it's just he seemed interested in legends. Like you. I thought you might get along.
How did...
One more move and the spear will be at your throat. Tell me your name.
I also mentioned you can be a little defensive.
My name is Herodotus. I'm a storyteller, or I was. This war is forcing us all to new extremes.
That much is true. Why are you hiding your identity?
I'm here on behalf of a man in Athens. A very powerful man. We intend to finally end this war. You told me you came to ask the Oracle a personal question. War is personal, Barnabas.
So, you came to seek the Pythia's guidance on how to end the war?
I did. Though something is wrong in Delphi. Guards at every turn, people...
हाँ भाई, मैंने बोला था ना एथेनियंस है यहाँ पे, ये देखो। तो भाई इसका नाम है हीरोडट्स। तो ये देख के चौंक गया कि इस बंदे के पास वुल्फ का भाला कैसे आया, तो ये इसको छूने की कोशिश कर रहा था। आगे बातचीत करते हैं, फिर देखते हैं क्या बनता है।
You don't seem convinced the Pythia can be believed. What did she tell you?
I asked her to show the path to the war's end. She said, spring should not wish for winter, as it brings death with it.
Such wisdom! I don't understand a word of it, but that's why she's in there and we're out here.
I know a threat when I hear one.
You were on Kefalonia for too long.
You don't seem convinced the Pythia can be believed. What did she tell you?
I asked her to show the path to the war's end. She said, spring should not wish for winter, as it brings death with it.
Such wisdom! I don't understand a word of it, but that's why she's in there and we're out here.
I know a threat when I hear one.
You were on Kefalonia for too long.
This line is ridiculous. Are there always this many people to see the Pythia?
These are more than just people. Every city sends a Theori or sacred ambassadors to seek guidance on behalf of their people. The Pythia not only shapes the destinies of individuals, but of the entire Greek world. Imagine what power one would have if they controlled what came out of her mouth. Apollo controls this. Of course he does.
I have my own questions for the Pythia, but this line... I'll be an old man by the time I see her.
You're joking! You carry more blades than a field of grass!
I didn't come here to start trouble.
Trouble? Just walk in! Who's going to stop you? The priest?
All right, but if things get out of hand, I'm blaming you, Barnabas.
Is he not every bit as great as I said?
Κύκλωθεν των τραγωδών εξαπορούν διηφαίνει μια ψευδομυθία ή τη συνεπιφέρει πράξεις και παρεπόμενα. Πράξεις και παρεπόμενα αυτόν άτινα προεπιλέγοντα και υφάπτονται αλλήλεις κρατοδέων και αναγκαίων. Τραγωδία ανέρεση.
तो भाई एलेक्सियोस ने बताया कि जो भविष्यवाणी वाली लेडीज है ना, ये उससे कुछ और नहीं बल्कि ये पूछने आया था कि इस जंग को कैसे ख़त्म किया जाए। तो बरनबास देख के चौंक गया कि मुझे तो ऐसे लगता था कि तो कोई अपना निजी सवाल पूछेगा। तो अब भाई चलते हैं, अब जल्दी से मिलते हैं डेल्फी ओरेकल को।
Τραγωδία ανέρεση. Συνδυασμός πηδιόμενος είναι να κλονίσει την ισορροπία των πνεύματων.
Καλώναν ή ορχιστρικών μικρών.
ने एलेक्सियोस तो लाइन में लगता ही नहीं कभी, ये सीधा जाएगा अंदर।
Enter into the light of Apollo, the light that illuminates shadow. Choose your question wisely, mortal, for you have but one. Speak, truth seeker.
तो भाई अपने पास दो ऑप्शन आए हैं, या तो अपनी मदर के बारे में पूछ सकता है ये, या अपने फादर के बारे में। तो अभी देखते हैं भाई, सोचता हूँ कुछ क्या पूछूं इससे। तो इसकी मदर के बारे में पूछ लेते हैं।
I lost my mother when I was young. I have to find her. Where is she?
It's you! From the visions! The child on the mountain!
How could you know that?
You need to leave. Now.
Leave? Do you have any idea what I've been through to get here?
Oh, but I do. While in Kausos, you didn't cower in the face of the priest. A child and her family still live thanks to you.
But how?
No one can hide from the light.
Please. I've come this far. You must have the answers I seek.
Child of the mountain, the cult of Cosmos have eyes everywhere. They will kill you.
Cult of Cosmos?
The Oracle has spoken. The prophecy is yours.
You never answered my question!
The Pythia is done for the day.
I'm not
तो
leaving
भाई
until I
इसने
get answers!
बताया तो है नहीं कि इसकी माँ कहाँ पे है, लेकिन बचपन की पूरी कहानी बता दी कि तुम्हारे साथ क्या बीता था। बाकी कुछ उसने कुछ नहीं बताया, तो उसके गार्ड्स ने इसको बाहर निकाल दिया।
Herodotus, you're still here. Where's Varnavas?
He's gone back to your ship. You don't look happy with your prophecy.
She knew who I was.
She's the Pythia. It's her business to act like she knows you.
That was no act. She said she had visions of me as a child on a mountain.
What child hasn't stood on a mountain?
I was thrown from that mountain. My life started and ended on that mountain. I'm telling you, she knew who I was, what I'd done. Tried to warn me.
Warn you? About what?
She mentioned the cult of Cosmos. Does this mean anything to you?
I'd heard whispers. A cult unlike any other coming to Delphi. But I paid them no mind.
The Pythia seemed afraid of them. Guards took her away.
Took her away? Then the whispers were true. If this cult has corrupted the Pythia... This is devastating news. Do you understand what this means? Through her, the cult controls the world.
I need to speak with her, when she's not so well protected.
That would require a miracle from the gods. She is always protected.
You know more about the Pythia than I do. Where would she be?
When she's not in the Temple of Apollo, she's at her home in the Hora of Delphi.
I'll find where the Pythia lives. And I will get answers.
Alexios, don't forget. Brute force is useless when finesse is required.
तो भाई हमें यहाँ से ना एक चीज़ पता चली है कि कोई कल्ट ऑफ कॉस्मोस है जो इसकी जान के पीछे पड़ा है। तो उस लेडीज़ ने इसके चाइल्डहुड के बारे में सारा कुछ बता दिया कि कैसे इसको पहाड़ से फेंका गया था और कैसे इसकी बहन को मारा गया था। लेकिन जब ये उसके माँ के बारे में बताने लगा तो उसके गार्ड्स ने उसको मना कर दिया कि अभी मत बताओ। तो चलो भाई, कुछ तो पता चला और बरनाबास चला गया दोबारा वापस शिप पे। अब हम चलते हैं नई लोकेशन पे। एल्पिनोर को भी ढूंढना है अभी। और हमारा लेवल भी हो चुका है अब। तो देखते हैं कुछ अपने लेवल का है तो। अब दोबारा पीथिया को ढूंढना पड़ेगा ताकि वो इसकी मदर के बारे में कुछ बता सके, लेकिन उसके पास गार्ड बहुत ज़्यादा है और वो हमें वहाँ पे जाने नहीं देंगे उसके पास में। आपने देखा ही है कि वो बताने वाली थी या नहीं बताने वाली थी, लेकिन उसके गार्ड्स ने मना कर दिया। वो जो गार्ड थे ना वो उसके नहीं थे। जल्दी जल्दी चलते हैं भाग भाग के। वो उसको बुला लेते हैं।
Let's go. Come on, come on.
एल्पिनोर नहीं यार हमें मिला अभी तक। एल्पिनोर को ढूंढना पड़ेगा कहीं पे। एल्पिनोर को भी मारना जरूरी है।
Easy.
The Oracle is hiding inside.
Who's doing that?
भाई अकेले अकेले को मारेंगे यार।
Whoever's whistling needs to stop now. Don't go anywhere. Stand and fight.
बुला बुला के मारेंगे एक एक को साइड पे।
I must have misheard.
आजा बेटे तेरा नंबर है अब।
That wasn't a bird. Who's doing that?
दो और मारने हैं और यार अंदर मर्सनरी भी खड़ा है। अच्छा यहाँ पे है।
Can't escape me.
एक बार घूम के देख लेते हैं भाई और कोई सैनिक तो नहीं बचा इनका, क्योंकि मर्सनरी से पंगा लेना थोड़ा भारी पड़ सकता है अगर कोई बीच में आता है तो। नहीं भाई कोई नहीं है। अब पेल देंगे इसको। खतरनाक तलवार है बेटे हमारे पास।
My eyes are clear.
ये ले गया तू तो। वेपन मिला है इसका बहुत खतरनाक वाला। हम मिलते हैं इसको।
No! Guards!
I'm not here to hurt you. I just
गार्ड्स
want
को तो मैंने
answers.
निपटा दिया, गार्ड्स नहीं आएंगे।
The Pythia is a sacred vessel of the gods. People travel the world for my answers. But none of them would dare break into my home. Apollo's wrath will be cruel and swift. Guards!
Enough with your lies. Tell me what I want to know.
Can't breathe.
ये बोल रही है कि ओरेकल को पवित्र माना जाता है भाई, तो ऐसे बिहेव मत करो।
Cut your throat.
I'm dead already. They'll find out you were here. And they'll kill me for it.
Who? This cult of Cosmos? Speak!
Yes, the cult wants you dead. They know you're here.
कोस्मोस के बारे में पूछ रहा था भाई, लेकिन ये डरी हुई है कि कोस्मोस इसको मार देगा, लेकिन चलो पूछना तो पड़ेगा।
What is this cult of Cosmos?
They are the eyes that see, but go unseen.
Enough with the riddles. I want names.
I don't know. I swear. They hide behind masks and shrouds.
Why would you work for the cult?
I have no choice.
So, all those
तो इसने पूछा कि
prophecies
भाई
from
तुम
the
बदमाश
gods,
लोगों के लिए काम
all
क्यों कर
those
रहे हो, तो
people,
इसने बोला कि मेरे पास तो
you're
कोई
paid
चॉइस
to
नहीं है।
deceive them all?
Most want to know about love or death. I tell them what they want to hear. But when people want to know about war or politics, I'm paid very well to tell them what the cult wants them to hear.
तो भाई एलेक्सियोस बोल रहा है कि इतने इतने पैसे लोग देते हैं आपको सच जानने के लिए, लेकिन तुम तो झांसा दे रही हो लोगों को। तो भाई इसने बताया कि कल्ट ऑफ कॉस्मोस जो है ना, वो जो इसको बताता है ये वही लोगों को बताती है, ये मतलब कि ये फेक है।
What is this cult of Cosmos?
They are the eyes that see, but go unseen.
Enough with the riddles. I want names.
I don't know. I swear. They hide behind masks and shrouds.
You have an opportunity to do the right thing. Tell me where to find the cult.
तो कल्ट के बारे में बताएगी भाई, ये कल्ट कहाँ पे है।
Tell me where they are, or we'll go find them together.
Beneath the Temple of Apollo there is an ancient chamber. I think they meet there. But without one of their cloaks and masks, you won't make it more than 2 steps inside.
Where can I find one of these cloaks and masks?
There is a man. He visits me from time to time, makes sure I'm well taken care of. I have the biggest house in the Hora of Delphi, yet he still offers drachmi for my troubles. Gives me the creeps.
What's his name?
Elpinor.
Elpinor? He's with the cult?
I can't be sure, but if he is, he would definitely have what you require.
Any idea where I can find him?
There is a fort just south of the Valley of the Nymph. He's been known to conduct business there.
You've been helpful.
Now get out of my house!
तो भाई इसने ग्रुप के बारे में तो बता दिया, लेकिन उससे पहले हम एल्पिनोर को निपटाएंगे, क्योंकि उसके
I
पास से
should
हमें
tell
कोई मास्क और
Herodotus what
कपड़ा
the
मिलेगा
Pythia told me about the cult.
जिससे हम उसको
Maybe
ढूंढ
he'll have
सकते
some
हैं।
insight.
एल्पिनोर को ढूंढना पड़ेगा भाई सबसे पहले तो। लेकिन उससे पहले यहाँ पे 2 लूट पड़ी हैं, वो उठानी है हमें। चलो छोड़ो यार, अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे हम। लो एक तो मिल ही गई। अब एक का ये नहीं पता दूसरी कहाँ पे है। वो है सामने। लो यार मिल ही गई।
Well, what did the Pythia tell you?
The cult of Cosmos is hunting me, but I'm going to hunt them first. She told me they meet in a secret chamber under the Temple of Apollo.
So it's all true. If the cult has done anything, it's fooled this old man.
I can't get in without a mask and cloak. It's how the cultists identify each other.
The Temple of Apollo is by the Cave Ogyea. Simple enough to find. But a cultist's mask and cloak? How will you accomplish that?
The Pythia gave me the only clue I need. When I'm ready, I'll meet you at the temple. For now, I'm going to kill Elpinor. Malaka's liar.
तो भाई इसने बताया कि कल्ट इसको ढूंढ रहा है, लेकिन उससे पहले हमें कल्ट को ढूंढना पड़ेगा। अपोलो टेम्पल के पास मिलेगा वो हमें। और जहर लगा दिया इसको हमने। अभी यार वो लोकेशन भी चली गई, हमें पता नहीं कहाँ गई ये।
Onward!
Ella.
Off we go.
Got to be careful not to get spotted.
Something's out there. Get to shelter! The arrows are coming from over there!
I'll tear you.
I will kill you!
There he is, hiding in plain sight.
अच्छा
Fight me fairly, no tricks.
बेटे तेरे को ही देखने आया हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, टेंशन न ले तू।
Decoy. Why am I not surprised?
एल्पनोर को लेटर मिला है कोई।
You coward! Elpinor knew I would come for him. Used that impostor to lure
आ
me
रहा हूँ
into
मैं,
a trap.
टेंशन मत ले
Your
तू।
plan failed, Elpinor. Soon, you will join your impostor.
चलो भाई यार एक काम करते हैं, वीडियो में थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा, इस वीडियो को यहीं पे रखते हैं। एल्पिनोर को मारेंगे हम अगले एपिसोड में। तो भाई वीडियो लंबा होने के कारण से फिर मज़ा भी नहीं आता देखने में। तो ठीक है दोस्तों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। बने रहना गेम में और तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।